When you install new high-efficiency HVAC equipment, you can save thousands of dollars by stacking rebates. But your equipment must meet minimum specifications, which can be confusing if you don't know what you're doing. I'm here to help you understand those requirements to make sure that your install is rebate eligible. Welcome to the T-Mark Rebate Rundown. What's up, everyone? I'm Ian from T-Mark, and this is the Rebate Rundown. Today, I'm going to take you through the jargon and the specifications that make this equipment high efficiency. It can feel like alphabet soup, but I'm here to help clear it up. Let's run it down. First up is SEER2. You see this on air conditioning systems and heat pumps. Think about it as the miles per gallon of air conditioning systems. The higher the SEER2, the less energy cost the system uses, the lower your bills. Next up is AFUE. You see this on furnaces and boilers. Basically means how efficient the system is at converting natural gas into the system heating your home. The higher the AFUE, the lower your energy costs. So if you have a 95% AFUE furnace, that means 95 cents on every dollar is going to heat your home. That's a win for your wallet and the planet. The next letter in alphabet soup is UEF. You see this on water heaters, whether it's a standalone tank or a tankless system. It measures how efficiently it turns energy into hot water, whether your system takes sips or gulps of energy. The higher the number, the more hot water you get per unit of energy. HSPF. This is for heat pumps. This tells you how efficiently your system uses electrical energy to provide heating and cooling to your home. COP. You see this on air source heat pumps and heat pump water heaters. It tells you how many units of heat you get per unit of electricity you put in. And finally, BTU. You see this everywhere. Furnaces, air conditioning systems, heat pumps, you name it. Think of it as horsepower for your HVAC system. The higher the BTUs, the more heating and cooling power your system has. But bigger isn't always better. That's where we come in, to help size your system for your space properly. At T-Mark, we help you choose the equipment that's right for your home and your goals. Not just powerful, but what's smart. We'll help you balance the upfront costs and long-term savings so that you're not just paying for something you don't need or something that won't perform. And when it comes to rebates and credits, we not only make sure that your equipment qualifies, but the paperwork gets done to get you every dollar you're entitled to. Thanks for watching the T-Mark Rebate Rundown.